Today I want to talk a little bit about chromoly axles and wheel studs. Typically there are two different kinds of wheel stud hold-in methods or installation methods. There's a press-in style, which the wheel stud is actually pressed into the axle flange. It has these knurls or serrations which help hold the wheel stud in place from turning. They also have threaded style. The actual holes in the flange are threaded, and the wheel studs thread into place. Just wanted to touch a few key points. When you install threaded wheel studs, a lot of aftermarket axles, these are G2 axles, have multiple bolt patterns. So this wider bolt pattern is 5 on 5.5. The narrow bolt pattern is 5 on 4.5. These threads are, in my experience, these threads are cut before the heat treating process, or there's additional heat treating after the threads are cut. So I've had a lot of problems with, if you don't run a tap or a thread chaser in these holes before you install it, it can actually gull the threads, causing you to have to thread chase the threads or ruining the actual wheel stud. So I always use a tap or a thread chaser through the holes prior to installing the wheel studs.